When it became officially hot, the love team, that's when we broke up, in a sense.
At our peak, no?
Oo, at our peak. So parang, ako kasi, tas ako nagka-non-showbiz boyfriend ako. Na, syempre, dinadala ko sa taping kasi,
Sakit eh.
ganti-gantihan lang naman.
Alam mo yung magaganda na pag-usapan natin? Yeah, but yeah, those are the memories na talaga when you look back. Ang genuine kasi nga.
But it was nice.
At saka wala talaga akong masasabi sa'yo, Hardy. As in talagang simula noon, siguro ako masasabi ko pag ako yung masama. Alam mo yun, ako yung masama in a way na...
Thank you naman, Chati.
Hindi, totoo
No,
naman.
it's not
Masama in a way that, you know,
No, but
nung
you were
time na
young.
yon hindi kasi ako appreciative.
You
Diba?
were young.
I was really young.
He was young. He was
Playful.
so guwapo. He's still guwapo now. And talagang nagpababaliw sa kanya yung even older girls. And I get it. Lala mo yung Plantation Bay?
Naalala mo ba yun? Naalala mo ba yun? Sakto yung pasok mo, kuya. Doon kami nag-part ways. Na, kasi we were love team for 4 years. Kasi I was young. Tapos parang dumating ako sa point na, ito na ba yun? Like, kami na ba talaga? Like, parang ito na ba yun?
He wanted space.
Wanted space. Tapos nang binigay niya, after a week, doon ko na-realize na hindi ko pala kaya. And then, yun yung biggest, ko talaga na turning point na nung ako na yung babalik, ayaw na niya.
Leave me alone!